Improved smartphone sensors, combined with cloud computing and a new generation of apps, are putting specialist knowledge in patients' pockets. But could your smartphone really replace your GP? We spoke to medical experts and app developers to find out. Skin Vision is an app which utilises a smartphone's camera to detect skin cancer. Dick Aterval, the CEO of Skin Vision, claims that the technology behind the app has advanced to such a point that it now brings the average eye of a dermatologist to a smartphone. So could it be used to cut out the middleman and refer patients directly to a specialist?
Certain people with a certain risk profile and with red ratings for certain moles could be directly sent to dermatology consultants instead of be seen by a GP. But there is a mass of people that still will go to the GP that we could help as well by providing the value that the technology of Skin Vision provides to them.
Skin Vision is one of a growing list of apps that can detect everything from heart problems to eye disease. But before any of them can be used in a more meaningful way, experts warn that some kind of safety kite marking needs to be introduced.
There are many functions that use of apps can bring into medicine, and we should welcome and explore that. But at the moment, I think there's still probably a reasonable degree of professional caution and indeed public and patient caution, because people want to know, is it safe? Can we trust it? Is it reliable? And that sort of kite marking or assurance in general isn't readily available either to patients or to professionals. The medical regulatory framework that we now have for medical devices is not fit for purpose for 21st century apps and the way in which the technology is evolving, and that's a problem.
One thing such apps can't do is make the ethical decisions that GPs are often faced with. Their limited scope also means that they are not able to understand a patient's condition within a broader context. So until a more generalist AI is developed, something still talked about within the realm of science fiction, GPs will be here to stay.
I believe that GPs play a very vital role as the first point of contact for people when they become sick or worry about something. But there is an awful lot of work that they currently do where they don't add value, and that could be replaced by technology. So the role of a GP is going to change, that's clear. Technology is going to play a key role in that, but I believe that the value of a GP will increase over time if they can spend their time on the things that they are supposed to do.
These days, and particularly as people get older, they very rarely have one thing that's wrong with them at any one time. So the interplay of the range of problems that might affect that individual, the range of problems they may have in their lives, their context, where they live, what their job is, how their relationships are, all these things feed into that person's experience of illness and disease. Machines, no matter how good they are nowhere near being able to handle that complexity, nor are they likely to. I don't see machines replacing a significant proportion of doctors, not in the next 5 to 10 years, and I think probably not for many years, if ever.